8 design upgrades under $500. Welcome back to Viana Home, the channel where smart design meets everyday living. If you've ever wanted to upgrade your home but felt limited by your budget, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about design upgrades you can do for under $500, changes that may seem small but can completely transform the look and feel of your space. Whether you live in an apartment, a townhouse, or a family home, these ideas are practical, stylish, and totally achievable. Let's get started. 1. Lighting upgrades. Lighting is one of the most underrated elements in home design, yet it has the biggest impact. Swapping out old light fixtures for modern pendant lights, wall sconces, or even a statement chandelier can instantly elevate a room. You don't need luxury brands. There are plenty of affordable options online and at home improvement stores. Warm lighting creates comfort, while clean white light gives a modern, fresh feel. Under $500, you can completely change the mood of your home. 2. Paint makes magic. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. Accent walls, painted ceilings, or even repainting cabinets can bring new life into tired spaces. Neutral tones create calm and openness, while bold colors add personality and drama. With proper planning, paint supplies and tools easily stay within budget, and the results feel like a full renovation. 3. Hardware and fixtures. This is a small change with a surprisingly big payoff. Replacing cabinet handles, drawer pulls, doorknobs, or even faucet fixtures can instantly modernize kitchens and bathrooms. Matte black, brushed brass, or stainless steel finishes are popular choices that feel high-end without the high cost. Most of these upgrades require minimal tools and can be done in a single afternoon. 4. Textiles and soft furnishings. Throw pillows, area rugs, curtains, and bedding are powerful design tools. They add texture, color, and warmth to a room. Switching out old curtains for floor-length panels can make ceilings look higher. A well-sized rug can define a space and make it feel more intentional. With smart shopping, you can refresh an entire room's look while staying well under budget. 5. Wall decor and styling. Empty walls are missed opportunities. Create a gallery wall with framed art, family photos, or minimalist prints. Floating shelves can display plants, books, or decorative objects while adding visual interest. Mirrors are also a fantastic choice. They reflect light and make small spaces feel larger. These upgrades are affordable and allow you to express your personal style. 6. Plants and greenery. Adding plants instantly brings life into your home. Whether real or high-quality faux plants, greenery softens spaces and adds a natural touch. Floor plants, tabletop plants, or hanging planters can all be done on a budget. The result is a space that feels fresher, calmer, and more welcoming. 7. Peel and stick upgrades. Peel and stick wallpaper, backsplash tiles, or floor tiles are perfect for renters or anyone wanting a low-commitment change. They're easy to install, easy to remove, and incredibly stylish. From modern patterns to classic textures, these upgrades can dramatically change kitchens, bathrooms, or accent walls for a fraction of renovation costs. 8. Decluttering and styling. Sometimes the best upgrade doesn't cost much at all. Decluttering creates instant visual space. Combine that with thoughtful styling, grouping decor in odd numbers, mixing heights, and leaving breathing room, and your home will feel more polished and intentional. A clean, organized space always looks more expensive. As you can see, great design isn't about how much money you spend, it's about how smart your choices are. With under $500, you can refresh your home, increase comfort, and elevate your everyday living. Thank you for watching Viana Home. If you enjoyed this video and want more home design tips, budget-friendly upgrades, and inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Viana Home. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.